Okay, I'm gonna try something different because I never get time to edit videos to upload to YouTube. So we're gonna do, this is just how my morning went. I picked all these pickles. I skipped picking yesterday, and this one must have got missed, like even the picking before, because I don't normally let them get this big, but this is what happens. We like to pick them this size. This is like perfect for little dill pickles. But I will make use of all of this. They're gonna get fermented, sliced up maybe. Those will probably make spears. I'm not sure what the heck I'm gonna do with that one. It's kind of big. We have patty pan squash volunteering, and I have lots of it. I let some squash plants volunteer, didn't know what they were. I was hoping it would be zucchini, but it's not. It's patty pan squash. So, got ideas for patty pan squash? Let me know. I think I'm gonna make like little mini meatloafs and stuff them and bake them that way. A handful of potatoes. And then I'm gonna show you, it's in my fridge right now. I should have took it out. Green beans. This is green beans that I picked actually yesterday. It's best if you pick and can your green beans the day that you pick them, but life happens, and so yeah, these will be canned this afternoon. They've been in the fridge. I had them covered with plastic. This is some cucumbers I had from the other day. This is more fermented cucumbers back here. You guys are seeing my fridge. Oh, this is what I could do with that big fat one. I could make these, like, you guys like these sandwich stuffer pickles? Yeah, I'm gonna do some of those. We're gonna see if we can make that. Anyway, so that was my morning. Real life. Have a great day.